So, mister, what do plants like me need to survive?
Well, plants are just like humans. You need food and you need water to survive.
Food? What do plants like me eat? We don't even have mouths.
Well, plants are really unique. Plants, they're able to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis is a process where plants make food. They suck up water from their roots and breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. Then, in their leaves, they absorb sunlight to make sugar to eat, and they also make oxygen for people to breathe. Why do plants like me absorb sunlight anyway?
Well, plants have a pigment in their leaves, and that's what makes them green. It's called chlorophyll, and it helps absorb sunlight.
Does it matter what kind of light is best for us plants?
Well, actually, sunlight's best for plants, and to help explain why, let's have a look through the spectrometer here. As you can see with sunlight, all the colors of the rainbow are represented equally. But say if we were to look at a CFL bulb or something else, it would look a lot different. So let's take a look at some of those different bulbs.
That's pretty cool.
This is what a CFL light bulb looks like. Let's see what it looks like under the spectroscope. This is what a fluorescent light bulb looks like. And this is what a fluorescent light bulb under the spectroscope looks like. So Rick, what happened to the pea suit?
Oh, I got all the pee out of my system, Dan.
Alright, so outside you were messing with the spectroscope a little bit, and I was just wondering, do you have any more questions about how the spectroscope works?
Yeah, I thought it was really interesting to see what the spectroscope did, but I don't understand how it does it. So could we talk about that a little bit?
Absolutely. So actually, can we build a pocket spectroscope, and I'll explain along the way how it works. Does that sound alright?
That sounds great.
Alright, so what we got here is we got this cardboard tube. It's going to be how we look at the light, and we also have this stuff, and it's called diffraction grating. And all that it really does is it's able to split the light into the different colors. So when you actually see white light is all the different colors of the rainbow. And this diffraction grating is able to split that up. So we have our tube, we have our diffraction grating, and so what we're going to do is we take these circular stickers that have holes punched in the middle, and we're going to stick the diffraction grating right in the middle of the hole, and then cover one end of our little telescope tube.
Okay.
Then we're going to take another sticker and stick it on the bottom. When we look through the spectroscope right now, do you think we're going to see anything?
No, I don't think so. There's no hole.
Exactly. So what we have to do is we have to punch a couple holes on this side that doesn't have the diffraction grating. So I'm going to make a smiley face. Alright. So now when you look at the light, you're going to see those holes, and on the side of the holes it's going to be all the different colors of the rainbow. So go ahead and take a look. Do you have any other questions about how this spectroscope works?
Yeah, so when I'm looking through the spectroscope, I noticed that there's red, yellow, blue, green, indigo, all sorts of colors. And I was wondering if that has anything to do with why plants like sunlight better than other lights.
You're right on target, Rick. So plants, they like red and blue light the most. But the sun, it's able to output all the different colors of the rainbow evenly. And that's very good for plants and helping them grow. So if we use different types of light bulbs, like the CFL light bulb we looked at earlier, it didn't have all the colors represented as equally, did it?
No, it didn't.
Exactly. So sunlight, it has all the colors and they're all represented about the same.
That makes sense.